Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another update for my project polish for you. And I'm excited, so let's just jump right in. Starting off with the Orly It's Not Rocket Science nail polish. It hasn't been rocket science, so I have used it up, finally. Like technically I think I could maybe get another manicure out of this, but it's getting so thick and goopy and annoying to use, and I have to like turn it in all angles to get it out at this point. So after I did my fingernails and my toenails the last time, I decided that was it. That was all I was gonna do. It's kind of hard to see where things are at actually, but I can see the balls lying on the bottom of the bottle right here. So this is gone. I really love this polish, even though it took me forever, and like when things take forever sometimes you get a bit annoyed with them, but the shade just stayed really pretty. It's a green with like a golden sheen to it, and when you hold it in certain angles there is blue in it as well. It's an amazing, like lovely multi-chrome. I really love this limited edition from Orly. I think I still have one shade left. I think I used another one up already in my project polish before, but yeah, I managed to get it all the way done. So first polish done. We're already quarter into the year, so hopefully I can go a little bit faster on some other ones, but we'll see. And this one already rolled in from last year, so yeah, that's not very promising just yet, but I've got some, yeah, we'll talk about that later. Maybe you already saw which shade I rolled in if you looked at my thumbnail properly, but I don't think it really stands out very much. So anyway, moving on to the next shade. I'm actually really excited because I managed to make progress on all the shades this time around. This is Glaze Secret Peri-Wink-Le, and on this one, like I've used it, I don't even really know. It was earlier on in the month because towards the end of the month I was trying so hard to get the early one done, so I've worn that back to back a few times. Yeah, so I used this I think like maybe 2 times on my fingers and 1 time on my toenails. I think last time I was just below the mark, so I couldn't make a new mark, and now I've made enough progress again to make that new mark because I only got 2 marks, and I think this is update number 3, maybe. So yeah, happy that there is a new mark on this one. I might focus on this one a little bit more. Well, I will, because I don't have the early one in its way anymore, but yeah, I really like this shade as well. And this one I can use with my China Glaze white cap as well. I only have cream shades going forward, so hopefully I can make some nice progress on white cap too. So yeah, that's this one. And then the one that I have on my nails right now, I don't know how well you can see, this is Lilacism from Essie. And that also I was able to make a new mark, only barely. It's yeah, but I could, so I did. So yeah, this one I have on my fingernails right now and on my toenails. I may have worn it like once or twice outside of these uses. I really like this shade as well. I think I'd be gravitating a little bit more towards the blue shade at the moment, even though this is the perfect springy shade as well. I don't know, for some reason in January I really wanted to wear this one, and now that we're getting into spring I feel like wearing something different, which is interesting. But yeah, still a really nice shade, and let's see if we can make some progress on that by next time as well. And then we've got white cap, which finally I was able to make a new mark on. Again, there really isn't that much left in here anymore, and considering the fact that I only have cream shades in here, like I'm secretly hoping that I can maybe finish this one off before we're moving back to the Netherlands, maybe. But I don't know if I'm gonna be able to, because I only need like 1 layer of this shade. I know some of you guys have said like maybe you can try and like layer it, a couple of layers on a finger, but I have tried it as an accent nail once, and you really need a lot of layers to get there. So I think I'm just gonna use it as a topper, and if it takes me a bit longer, it will take me a bit longer. I know I'm gonna be able to finish this one this year. That's the main thing. So yeah, still a nice shade. I have it on top of this Lilacism shade at the moment as well. Yeah, it's just fun to have a topper every now and then to put on top of things. Then rolling in this time is a Catrice polish I wanted something light and springy still. I had this shade and kind of a limey green one, both from Catrice. They're slightly smaller bottles, and I wanted to roll in a slightly smaller bottle this time because I was working on the Orly one. The Essie and China Glaze ones are definitely not small bottles either, and this one is 10 mils, where the Essie one is 15, so there is like 50% more in that one, and this one is 14, so 40% more in that one. So it's gonna be nice to have something that I can hopefully see the progress move on a little bit quicker. For this one also, I'm expecting to need 3 layers every single time I wanna use it, which will probably also make it move a little bit quicker. And like, I put this one and the green one next to each other upright. I kind of already decided which ones I wanted to roll in a few weeks back to motivate me a little bit extra to work on that early shade so I could roll something new in. And this one I realized was already halfway gone, which I didn't remember, and that's been natural progress, I think, because there's no marks on here, so I don't think it's been in the project before. So that made me think, okay, let's roll this one in first, because we're going to be in summer soon and I'm probably going to want to roll in like even brighter colors, so it's going to be good to have something that I can hopefully roll out soon-ish. So that became this one, and I have put it on the wheel as well so you can see what it looks like. It's like, I've got a pretty springy palette going on right now, as you can see, with the Orly shade gone. I've got the Secret Peri-Wink-Le here, Lilacism, which basically is an off-white when you look at it like this, and the same with the peachy shade, which actually, what is it called? Apropos, Apricot. So it's an apricot shade, not a peach shade. Yeah, anyway, it's a bit darker than the Lilacism, but it's still a very, like, yeah, pastel-y type of shade. So looking forward to using that one, and hopefully to be able to make some nice progress on that fairly quickly and roll it out soon-ish. Let's see. Those are the shades that I'm working on right now. I cannot talk. And so I'm trying to decide what is going to be my focus shade. Like, of course, I want to make some proper progress on this one every time I do an update, because I think I should be able to. So I think that this one should be able to be done in like 2 or 3 updates, hopefully. But like I said, I'm not feeling the Essie shade as much, so I think like my focus shade is going to be the China Glaze, and I'm going to be playing with this one as my new shade as well. So I think I'm expecting to have most progress on these two, but we'll see. That is it for today. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Bye bye!